Bonjour everyone! So for today's video, bali ano na yata to, part 5, ganyan. Naglakad-lakad lang kami and ito yung malapit sa Bourse area. So alam nyo guys, yung hotel na unang pinili ko is at the other side of this, and then I changed my mind kasi may reklamo si Jowa, and then pinili ko sa other side ng bridge. Buti na lang ganun ginawa ko kasi mas maraming tourist area dito on this other side of the bridge, o diba, sana.
Like that?
And then after this, lakad-lakad lang kami and nakita namin tong maraming tao dito sa area na to. Ang tawag ay Miroir Dulo, bali water mirror ang translation in English. And then so may tubig siya, right? After a few minutes mag-disappear yung water. Akala ko bakit na ganun, and then sabi ni Jowa, I think it's to make it reflective. So yan, so kung mahilig kayo sa photography, punta kayo dito guys kasi aliw siya kahit yung building nagre-reflect, and then ikaw rin, o diba? Ayan, mukhang tanga. Basta anyway, and also soothing yung water kasi mainit. After this, naglakad lang kami to go to the restaurant that we thought of eating. Wala kami reservation guys, pero apparently you needed one. Buti na lang nung pumunta kami medyo maaga pa, so may space pa sa labas ng restaurant. So as you can see, sa labas lang kami naupo. Anyway, dalawa lang naman kami. So ang siste dyan guys, o order ka and then later tatawagin ka to choose your own meat. Yun, ang pinili namin Angus beef. Tapos naghati na lang kami ni Jowa kasi entrecote siya. So mas efficient kung hati kami dalawa and then they can cut it. Mas maraming makuha namin. Masarap siya guys. I highly recommend. And then, ayan. At ayun yung famous canele dessert ng Bordeaux. Ganyan. And ito na ako sa malapit sa Gros Cloche and Port Caillou.
Port Caillou.
Merci. Au revoir.